Now we are discussing about metal business. In that today we are discussing about TMT bar manufacturing. TMT bar manufacturing, starting a roll mill industry. TMT stands for the thermomechanical treatment of bars. TMT rod or TMT bar manufacturing is a medium or large scale operation. You can categorize TMT bars as new generation high strength steel having superior properties. This includes weld ability, strength and ductility, and bends ability, meeting highest quality standards at international level. Under thermomechanical treatment of bars, the steel bars are made to pass through a specially designed water cooling system. These are kept for such a period that the outer surface of bars becomes colder while the core remains hot. This creates a temperature gradient in the bars. When the bars come out of the cooling system, the heat flows from the core to the outer surface. It causes further tempering of steel bars, thereby helps them attaining higher yield strength of steel. TMT steel bar is a newer variety of steel for construction purpose. And next point is registration and license. We have listed some of the general criteria. Registration of the firm with ROC, obtain trade license from the local authority, apply for Udyog Aadhar MSME online registration, apply for BIS services, BIS certification, apply for NOC from Pollution Control Board, obtain ISO certification, apply for VAT registration. Plant, step and machinery. Establish TMT bar manufacturing plant as a fully automatic manner. Procure the rolling mill machinery. Produce other ancillary products like I-beams, joists, hexagonal, channels, strips, etc. from the same unit. Some of the common machinery and roving mill, intermediate mill, stand county, finishing mill, stand rotary, dividing fly shear with pinch roll, TMT system for higher strength bar, twin channel, cooling bed, reheating furnace, CNC notching and roll branding, machines, cranes, air oil and water pipeline, workshop machinery, testing equipment. And next point is manufacturing process and raw materials. 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, 40 mm TMT bars have the maximum demand in the market. You must produce the materials in accordance with IS 1786 to 2008 in FE 415, FE 500 and FE 415D. These are the grades. Design the reinforcement bar rolling for the production of the assured quality product only. The mill have sequence mix of roughing, intermediate and continuous mills for quality measurements. Because of this progressive reduction process, you can produce the bars with uniform size and mechanical properties all along with along the length of the product. Next point is the TMT bars are then subjected to heat treatment in 3 successive stages through international process. First stage, quenching starts with the hot roll bar leaving the final stand and immediately being quenched by a special water spraying system. The process results in the formation of martensite in the outer surface of the bar while the core remains austenitic. Next step, the bar leaves the water quenching line and is exposed to air. The heat flux from the still hot core reheats the outer surface within the structure. The martensite formed in the first stage is thus subject to self-tempering, giving a structure called tempered martensite, which is strong and rough. The core 15 is still austenitic at this stage. And the next is third and final stage of atmospheric cooling takes place in the cooling bed. The final structure thus consists of a combination of a strong outer layer of tempered martensite and a ductile core of ferrite perlite. The rebar shall be produced in the range of 18 mm to 40 mm diameter. And next point is raw materials. We depend on steel for almost everything from the houses and buildings, the cars we drive, roads, bridges, machines, agricultural equipment. The list is endless, with a huge expanding domestic and export market for steel. TMT bar manufacturing is definitely a lucrative opportunity. This is the information regarding TMT bar manufacturing. So it is also required, and these are very good usages there in constructions. Wishing you all the best.